How to make a spatchcock barbecue slash jerk chicken. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to spatchcock a chicken and how I made this jerk slash barbecue. Spatchcock, oven style barbecue slash jerk, Jamaican style chicken. Get your chicken, remove the backbone from the chicken with either a scissors or a knife. I tried to show you with the scissors. My knife was like much sharper. Spatchcock is removing that back portion from the chicken, and then you will need to like break the bone that's in the breast of the chicken. Wash your chicken, clean your chicken. I use lemon and vinegar along with water. Pat dry to remove any and all excess water from your chicken. Once you are done cleaning, remove them yellow eels from off the chicken leg. Those can come off as much as you can. Added a little olive oil and my seasonings: garlic powder, black pepper, a little salt, sazon, Maggi chicken bouillon, and you will see all my seasonings on the screen. Some smoked paprika and a little chili powder to add a little spice, along with some jerk. Jerk you can make from scratch, and I do have a jerk sauce video on my channel. Make sure your bird is looking like this, well decked out, ready to go in your oven. Season under the breast and not only the skin portion, go under the breast. Turn the legs out. Make sure the bone is broken in the breast. I use some garlic powder, Maggi chicken bouillon, sazon, chili, a little salt. You will see most on the screen. Leave your chicken to marinate for an hour or two, or even overnight. Light your oven to 350 degrees, and I'll be baking this in the oven. I added a little butter under the breast pockets. For my sauce, I use barbecue honey and a little jerk sauce to make my sauce to brush on to my barbecue jerk spatchcock chicken. Within an hour, I tested my chicken. The temperature was right. Started to brush on some sauce, and I gave this 20 more minutes in the oven. Once my sauce was brushed on, my chicken is almost ready. I turned my oven off once I brushed the last sauce on, for my chicken not to dry out. You can use as much barbecue sauce as you want. I wanted more of a jerk taste than more than a barbecue taste. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to give the video a like. I have lots of chicken videos on my YouTube channel. Don't forget to check this out. And of course, I'm Jamaican, so I did a little Jamaican slash rice and peas on the side with some broccoli, carrots, and also some string beans. And this is what my spatchcock barbecue jerk look like. Don't forget to give the video a like, and if you aren't yet subscribed, like, share, drop a comment. See you soon in another video. Shelly's Jamaican Pickle and Lifestyle.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and